Good morning, everybody, and happy Sunday to you. Here's me looking like Hot Mess Central USA again on this Sunday morning. I got my hair in a little ponytail. Looks like Medusa or something. I don't know, like little octopus legs coming out of my head or something. But it's Sunday, and on this video, I'm being lazy. I'm laying in my bed making this video as we speak. And I don't know why I always tend to look at the record button, but it's really annoying that I do. And I wish that I wouldn't do that. But I do. And I don't know why I do. Anyhow. Today is Sunday, and you know, I always like to get ready for the work week on Sunday, like doing laundry. And so what we're going to be doing today is I'm just going to be taking the sheets off of my bed, and I'm going to be washing them, and then I'll put the clean ones back on. I need to vacuum my bedroom, like really, really bad. And there's a few things in the kitchen that need to be dealt with. So this is my Sunday clean with me, and I hope it gives you guys some cleaning motivation as well. If there's anything that you need to do around your house, there's lots to be done around my house. Yeah, always. There's always something to be done around here, so just gotta get to it, and hopefully this gives y'all some cleaning motivation as well, because Tanya is not motivated today at all, but I'm just going to do the damn thing. So we're just gonna get straight to it and do it.